me, like it was like draw soup. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm going to be trying out the Gorilla Snot Gel. So I've heard a lot about this gel. In fact, I've read reviews, done research about this gel and how good it is for medium to thick natural hair, and I've decided to try it. So the only gel that I have used that actually worked for my natural hair in terms of slicking it for a very long time is my homemade flaxseed gel, because even the time I used Eco Styler, that's the flaxseed, and I think the one that has the black cover, yeah, it did not really like hold my hair for long. And then I decided to try the Gorilla Snot Gel to slick my hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys the product. This is what it looks like. This is it over here, okay? And you guys, this product, first of all, doesn't contain natural ingredients. I feel like the only natural thing here is water. According to this hold meter here, it says it holds like the 10 I think is like the highest, so it has a very good hold. That's what this thing is trying to say. And the ingredients are water, PVP, alcohol, PG 150, fragrance, and yeah, so it is not natural. It doesn't like contain natural products basically. So if you are all about like you just use natural products then maybe this gel is not for you. So anyway, let's just try it already. So before applying this gel, you want to make sure that you moisturize your hair, because this gel contains alcohol, which is very drying to the hair. So I'm just going to spritz water and then go in with my leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. Okay, so after that I will just like walk in sections. So I'm going to apply the gel in sections to get my hair as sleek as possible. Okay, so I finally opened this gel, and to my greatest surprise, I was expecting it to be very snotty, or how would I describe what I was expecting? You know how okra soup usually draws? That was how I was expecting this gel to look like, because that was what I saw like in people's videos, and I'm like, okay, what is going on? Did I buy fake? Like, it's actually still very, you know, sticky, but it was like I was just expecting that okra soup kind of drawing feeling. That was what I was expecting, and I didn't get it. But I was like, okay, you know what, let's just use it like that and see if it actually does slick my hair. You guys should not mind my face here, because at this point I was like, oh my god, this thing is actually
yellow. Like I just hope it doesn't leave like flakes and like residue on my hair. That was why my face was just looking like that. I was like, okay. So I just went ahead to do my edges. You guys, I had no idea what I was doing because I'm not so good with edges, but I was just trying, to just lay something. Okay, let me see how this gel is on my edges. So yeah, that was what I was doing. So please don't come for me. So because I was going for a bun look, I used my, puff bun thingy. If you are an OG in this channel, you will know this puff thing. Yeah. So I have a video about using this for a sleek hyper bun. So yeah, that's what I used to put my hair in a low bun. So I went in with my scarf to just get everything laid and settled very well. So one thing I noticed, like after putting the scarf, is that I didn't get any flakes, like those yellow things I was concerned about. I didn't see them again after I removed the scarf. So
okay, so let's see. It hasn't really dried per se. It hasn't dried, but I'm loving the way it's looking. And you guys, I don't know how to like do my edges, but I'm liking what I'm seeing here. And yeah, there are some flyaway hairs, so it's not like the thing slicked down all the flyaway hairs. I don't know whether to apply so much before it slicks down totally, but yeah. So did it slick down my hair? Yes. How long will the hold last? That's what we're going to find out. But personally, so far I love the way it's looking, and I love these two tiny things I did here. Yeah, okay, so let me know in the comment section, you guys, if you've tried the Gorilla Snot Gel. This Gorilla Snot Gel actually comes in different colors. So it comes in yellow, red, purple, blue. Is there blue? Yeah, I think so. But I went for this one because this is the one I've seen a lot of people use. And I think the difference, because when I checked, all of them have a hold meter of 10. So I think the difference is just the color. So like this one, when you open it, the color that is there is yellow. Then for the purple one, I think the color too is purple or blue. It's just the difference in all of them is just like the different colors. I don't think like the there's a difference in the hold. But yeah, so Gorilla Snot Gel for slicking down thick natural hair. What will I rate this? Well, I don't know. We're going to find out like once it dries and how long it lasts, then I'll give my rating. Okay, but so far I'm loving the look. Okay, hey guys, so it's about 2 hours 30 minutes or 45 minutes thereabout, and this is what the hair is looking like. Yep, my edges is still very laid, and this tiny thing that I did here still looks good. I was hoping that the gel will make like I will not have any flyaways at all, but apparently I still have some flyaways. But so far my hair is slicked. I don't know whether I was supposed to add enough or not, because at some point the gel wasn't like as sticky as people make it seem. I don't know if I bought fake, I don't know, I have no idea, but it wasn't looking like the ones I used to see on YouTube, and I was wondering, I don't know. But so far I think I like it, and I would see how it looks like in the morning. So guys, this is what my hair looks like the next day. Like, it's still slicked down, can you see? Yeah, even my edges were slicked down, but by the time I had my bath and water touched it, the thing went off, so it's still slicked down. So I would say that this gel is not that bad for slicking down natural hair, and I would definitely recommend it. If you have medium to thick natural hair, you can actually use this gel and you'll see some good results. Okay, so I'm just going to like use it again to like do my edges and just arrange everything because I'm going out now. Yeah, so let's just say that the gel is on point. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share it with someone, give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You know, and I was wondering, come in